Hi everyone, this is Lavina Tilwani and I'm back again with another video on Osho Zen cards. If you've heard about the Osho Zen cards, these are the cards which are based on Sir Osho. He basically talks about the spirituality in these cards. It talks about how deep you can go into a reading, where you can find the in-depth answers of the client in these cards. So if you want to know about the in-depth answers, if you want to know about the realities, if you want to know about the spiritual journey of a person, these are the cards for you. Now, many people use these cards for predicting their client's future. Now, you can also use a combination of different decks. If you have different decks, you can use a combination of these other cards also to get the answers for your queries. Now, if you're using particularly only these cards, now these are 79 cards. We have one extra card in this deck, which is of Sir Osho himself as an extra card. In all the other decks, like the Rider Waite, we have 78 cards. We have the minor arcanas, we have the major arcanas, we have the court cards. Similar to the Rider Waite, only thing we have one extra card in this. So I also teach this course. If you're interested, you can definitely contact me for that. Now, when you're doing a reading with this deck, you can also use them as guidance cards if you're using the Rider Waite or any other deck that you have, the Doreen Virtue or any other decks that you have. So if I am doing a reading with this deck, with the Rider Waite, for example, if I'm taking a yes, no 50-50, and I am also looking at the shadow card, but in spite of that, I am not getting the guidance. My client is not satisfied with the answer. So, what we do is we take the guidance cards from the Osho Zen. For example, I might take three cards from here as guidance. Now, for every yes, for a no, and for a maybe, I can give you the guidance and help the reading better. So if you want to learn about these cards, if you want to know more about the Osho Zen cards and how they work and how the readings are going to be with these cards, you are at the right place. You can call me and find out about how these cards work and how beautifully they can connect with your spiritual world. So do contact me for this and I'll be right there to help you. Good night. Bye.